In which city can you visit the Petronas Twin Towers? Bangkok, Jakarta, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. The correct answer is Kuala Lumpur. Which capital city is the nearest to the equator? Quito, Nairobi, Jakarta, Brasilia. The correct answer is Quito. Which word is closest in meaning to nimble? Strong, lazy, quick, tall. The correct answer is quick. When did the Berlin Wall come down, marking the end of the Cold War era? 1975, 1985, 1991, 1989. The correct answer is 1989. Which country gave the Statue of Liberty as a gift to the United States? Italy, Germany, Spain, France. The correct answer is France. Which animal has the longest gestation, pregnancy, period? Giraffe, elephant, frilled shark, rhinoceros. The correct answer is frilled shark. Which country is the birthplace of reggae music? Trinidad, Nigeria, Jamaica, Cuba. The correct answer is Jamaica. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Lead, mercury, iron, zinc. The correct answer is mercury. Which part of the human brain helps control balance and coordination? Cerebrum, brainstem, medulla, cerebellum. The correct answer is cerebellum. Which organ in the human body stores bile for digestion? Liver, stomach, pancreas, gallbladder. The correct answer is gallbladder. What miracle did Jesus perform at the wedding in Cana? Walked on water, fed 5,000, healed the blind, turned water into wine. The correct answer is turned water into wine. Which of these architects designed the facade of Hampton Court Palace in London? Sir Christopher Wren, I.M. Pei, William Thornton, Louis Henry Sullivan. The correct answer is Sir Christopher Wren. Which of the following was not one of Cleopatra's children? Caesar Ion, Alexander Aelios, Ptolemy, Octavian. The correct answer is Octavian. What is the traditional meaning associated with Lilium longiflorum, Easter lily, in Japanese culture? Purity and innocence, love and romance, luck and prosperity, protection and strength. The correct answer is purity and innocence. In what year were the first Academy Awards held? 1925, 1934, 1929, 1939. The correct answer is 1929. Who was the first woman to win an Academy Award for Best Director? Greta Gerwig, Sofia Coppola, Catherine Bigelow, Ava DuVernay. The correct answer is Catherine Bigelow. What is the typical description of Bigfoot's appearance? Covered in fur with long horns, large and winged with sharp claws, tall, hairy, and humanoid, scaled with a serpentine body, The correct answer is tall, hairy, and humanoid. Where can you find the fiery Shishaldin volcano, which looks like a perfect ice cream cone on fire? United States, Iceland, Indonesia, Japan. The correct answer is United States. Which eerie classic novel by Robert Louis Stevenson explores the battle between a man's good and evil sides? The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, Frankenstein, Dracula, The Picture of Dorian Gray. The correct answer is The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Which Steve Martin autobiography tells the story of how he went from Disneyland performer to comedy legend? Born Standing Up, My Passion for Design, Don't Mind If I Do. That's not all, folks. The correct answer is Born Standing Up. According to Greek mythology, which delicate flower sprang from the blood of the handsome Adonis? Lily, rose, anemone, daisy. The correct answer is anemone. Who was the mastermind architect behind the original design of the breathtaking Hagia Sophia in Istanbul? Isidore of Miletus, Zenon, Michelangelo, Frank Gehry. The correct answer is Isidore of Miletus. The emerald, shiny, green, and magical, is most often associated with what meaning? Love and fidelity, wealth and success, wisdom and growth, protection and healing. The correct answer is wisdom and growth. The Maldives, a tropical paradise, is located in which warm corner of the Indian Ocean? Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Mozambique Channel, Andaman Sea. The correct answer is Bay of Bengal. Between 20 and 30, how many numbers are prime and love to stand alone? 2, 3, 4, 1. The correct answer is 2. Which country is poetically known as the land of the rising sun? Japan, North Korea, Greece, China. The correct answer is Japan. What quirky name do we give to a group of goldfish? A troubling, a wisdom, a rumba, a shiver. The correct answer is A, troubling. Braille isn't just for words. What else can it include? Numbers, musical notes, punctuation marks, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What do we call the opposite weather sibling of El Nino? La Nina, El Nino Southern Oscillation, ENSO, El Nino Modoki, El Nino Oscillation Index, ENSOI. The correct answer is La Nina. If you want to say hi in Russian, which word should you choose? Hola, bonjour,
Привет.
konnichiwa.
The correct answer is привет.